And this is what he says: Lord, make me an instrument of your peace. Where there's hatred, let me sow love. Where there's injury, pardon. Where there's doubt, faith. Where there's despair, hope. Where there is darkness, light. And where there's sadness, joy. That is what St. Francis of Assisi said at that time. And I think that those words rang very true to our situation here today. And that is what me as a person want to see happen. That I become an instrument to bring peace, to heal, to reunite, and to keep the hope alive for our country. We sang the national anthem, which says that, Lord bless this land of ours, justice be our shield and defender. We may dwell in unity, peace and liberty. Plenty be found within our borders. And in the Bible, the land where plenty is found is called Canaan. And that's why we said, we in the Azimio la Umoja Kenya want to take our people across River Jordan into Canaan. And we hope that we will be able to enjoy life in Canaan. Thank you very much. May God be with you.
Thank you. We appreciate you. Thank you very much. We can take our seats. To prepare our hearts to hear the one.